Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both devices can talk. On your iPhone, open Settings and confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, then check the Watch app to verify pairing. Enable cellular on the watch if you want standalone calls, or make sure the iPhone stays within range. Once done, grant the phone app permission to use contacts and microphone. This avoids call failures. Do this now so you can move to call routing without interruptions. These steps remove common connectivity blockers. Now adjust where calls ring. You go to the Watch app, tap My Watch, then Phone, choose Mirror iPhone to match settings automatically, or pick Custom to control watch behavior. If custom, enable Allow calls on Apple Watch so incoming audio routes to the watch speaker and mic. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is active on the iPhone if your carrier supports it. This helps when cellular signal is weak. After these changes, test by calling your number to confirm the watch receives the call. Finish by testing. Call your number and then place a call from the phone app on the watch. Listen for clear audio and check the mic with someone on the line. If it fails, restart the watch and iPhone. Sometimes a quick reboot reestablishes routing. Then toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radios. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch because that resets connection profiles. Key troubleshooting tip: always check carrier Wi-Fi calling and the watch's cellular plan when calls won't connect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.